Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Sony Xperia 10.5. And to do this we'll need to open our browser, Google Chrome in this case, and it's recommended to use this one. Now let's open any website that we can log into. In this case we're going to go for the Facebook. And if we try to log in using our credentials, click on login. We can save our password right here with this pop-up. Now click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen and head on to the settings. There should be password manager right here. Make sure that the saved passwords are on, otherwise you wouldn't be able to save it. But what we want to do is to click on the password that we just saved for the facebook.com. And here's our email address, which is a username for this specific page. You can also click on this I next to the password to actually see the password. And if you want to remove that password or edit that one, then simply delete already existing one, enter new, click on done. And to remove this saved password, click on the bin button and delete the password just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.